Yo, what up YouTube EX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video. This is a fast video for you guys real quick. So, as you can see, I got my ROG Ally sitting right there. I'm trying to drain down the battery a little bit, because I'm actually going to be doing this. So, you already know the deal. Bat knife, bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So what we're gonna do is just cut this open, just like that. And basically what we got is this right here. As you can see right there. So this is gonna be going to my ROG Ally right there, on 1 terabyte right there by silicone powered. 4th gen right there. I heard that the speeds on this is actually good, so we're going to check it out, see how it is, and we'll be back later on. Peace.